Yeah, welcome to next Friday. Yes, so we there. Yeah, man, Frankie Music Studio, that's how we there. So this is each and every Friday. Next Friday. Same Friday, man. Gaga pata pata, that one in the music shake. That shake down the place. Craigie.
Yo, so let me tell you this straight. That one you hot and everybody want do it. Pata pata make we do easy shake. And they dance when you shake down the street. Energy say we get the squad there, yeah we all the air. This are the dance up next for the year. Pata pata make we dance. Next Friday just easy. Pata pata make we do easy. Yeah. Next Friday me tell you say it easy. Pata pata make we do easy shit. Hear me a send a man. Yo, wake them up and in your shade. Easy shake. Whenever you feel the bass. Easy shake. Match up the Richter scale. Easy shake. I saw when you easy shake. Easy shake. Wake them up and in your shake. Easy shake. Whenever you feel the bass. Easy shake. Match up the Richter scale. Easy shake.
Next Friday. Pata pata, hold on a man.
Me say me tell you, say that pan ya. Easy shake off your yard and a brand. Tell you, say that pan ya. Every dancers out together as one. Them a tell me say me have to stay in, but me there so fi dancing. Easy shake of the shake.
Next Friday, everybody does shake.
Me say that one your name easy. Pata pata make we do easy shake. Pata pata chop. So everybody just easy. Pata pata make we do easy shake.
Yeah man, easy shake. Next Friday. That's over there. Every Friday. Yeah man, this Friday and that Friday. Next Friday. Same Friday. Gaga pata pata. That one of them easy shake. Out everywhere. Craigie Badat. Big up yourself. We were here. Yes man.
Pata pata make we do easy shake.
Next Friday, easy shake. 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 Stretch world. Yeah man.